13 Smart Hacks for Girls. Girls tend to encounter more complicated everyday scenarios compared to guys. Thus, they need more ways to be efficient, especially when doing their everyday routine. There are tons of smart hacks that not all women know, and it can be very helpful, especially in their daily life. Knowing more smart hacks about skincare, beauty, or even smart hacks to do for their dilemmas in life can come in handy, and life will be less complicated and easier to handle. Hello Muse fam! Welcome back to our channel. How is everyone doing? We hope everyone is doing great and staying safe. We are back again with a new smart and epic video that are relevant to all the women in the world. We understand how hard it is for girls to get by every day, especially when they encounter hair problems, beauty problems, and more. With that, we will introduce 13 smart hacks for girls to know. These hacks will come in handy anytime and anywhere you are. So whether you're on the go or not, these tips will make your life easier and more convenient. So what are you waiting for? Let's start! Hack number 13. Treating blackheads. Do you suffer from blackheads on your face? Does it usually pop out on your nose? If so, you need to know this smart beauty hack for blackheads. People normally get blackheads due to dust, dirty air, and bacteria that goes in your open pores. There are blackheads that can be treated regularly, but to those who have severe acne and blackheads, they might need to go to a doctor to treat it. If you have the mild type of blackheads, then this hack can help you remove them. You will need toothpaste for this hack. Squeeze an amount of toothpaste on your finger and scrub it on your nose. Do the scrubbing for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once done, wipe the toothpaste off using a tissue or wet wipes. When your nose is clear, you will feel the blackheads are gone. It's that easy. If you think this hack is awesome, wait till we finish down to 1. Stay through the whole video for more amazing hacks to know. Hack number 12. Dark under eye circles. Do you happen to have dark eye bags? Are you humiliated about it? If so, let's eliminate those dark circles in the simplest way possible. We all know how cucumber works well when being applied to the eyes, and it has been proven as an effective eye conditioner. Cucumbers are also organic, so it's not expensive to use as an eye treatment. For your dark under circles, you need to cut a piece of cucumber. Cut the circle in half. Next, put it under your eyes and leave for 15 minutes. You can do this hack when you do your skincare routine before going to bed. Hack number 11. Bad breath. When you feel like your breath is not smelling good today and you're about to go out on a date, then you need to have a solution to that ASAP. In the past hack, we showed you how cucumbers can heal eye bags. But did you know cucumber can also fix bad breath? Just slice some cucumbers and chew it. You will never have to be conscious about having bad breath after doing this hack. Hack number 10. Split ends. One of the most frustrating things for girls is having split ends. Split ends are annoying and it makes the hair dry and dull. Most girls cut their split ends, but if you're one who doesn't want to cut their hair, this hack that we're going to show you is for you. For this hack, you will need a few pieces of aspirin tablets and your shampoo. First, crush the aspirin tablets using a mortar and pestle. Make sure the tablets are crushed finely. Next, mix the finely crushed aspirin with the shampoo. Mix the two ingredients well. After that, apply the shampoo mixture in your hair and leave it on your head for 30 minutes. Rinse with water after. Do this procedure twice a week and your split ends will surely disappear. You will now have healthy hair in no time. Hack number 9. Easy cut crease. Whether you know how to apply eyeshadow or not, it is always best to do your eye makeup efficiently and quickly as possible. The most crucial part of every eyeshadow application is the cut crease because it is where you start the process. If you want to do a cut crease quickly, this hack should be followed. All you need is a beauty sponge for this hack. Beauty sponges are often in an oval shape. Cut the bottom part of the beauty sponge and you will end up with a smaller punch. Put concealer or foundation in the beauty sponge and stab it on your eye. The foundation or concealer will stick on your crease and you don't have to brush or blend the product on your eye. You can now easily stamp the product on your crease and then apply eyeshadow. It's that easy. Hack number 8. Dry skin. Do you happen to have dry skin? Have you tried all types of lotion and moisturizers in the market, but you still think nothing is working on your skin? If so, try this hack for dry skin that we're about to show you. For the smart beauty hack, you will need aloe vera leaves, brown sugar, and almond oil. Scrape the aloe vera gel out from the leaf and put it in a bowl. Add the brown sugar and almond oil next. After that, put the ingredients in a food processor or electric mixer and mix everything together. Once the texture looks liquid, apply it on your skin and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Wipe the mixture off your skin using a tissue. Hack number 7. Uneven skin tone. Many women struggle with uneven skin tone. Usually, uneven skin tone happens when exposed parts of the skin darkens, while the covered parts remain as its normal color. Whether it's too much sun exposure or something else, uneven skin tone can be annoying. Hence, here's a solution to that problem that you can do at home. For this hack, you will need egg white, shaving foam, and hydrogen peroxide. Combine all three ingredients together in a bowl and mix well. Next, apply it on your face, neck, arms, legs, or wherever you have uneven skin tone on your body. Leave the mixture on your skin for 10 minutes. Once done, rinse the mixture off your skin. You will notice that there will be an even change in your skin tone. Do this whenever you notice uneven lines and colors on your skin, and it will change your life. Hack number 6. Dry chapped lips. If you're one of those people who suffer from dry and chapped lips, try this beauty hack that we're going to reveal to you. Dry and chapped lips are common whenever someone is dehydrated. However, there are also people who suffer dry lips because of how their skin is built. Whether you're either of the two, it is important to fix your chapped lips ASAP. When treating dry lips, you will need cucumber peel and salt. You can get a cucumber from your vegetable pantry and peel it off. Get the peel and add salt to it. Once done, scrub the peel with the salt on your dry lips. Do it in circular motion and make sure all the areas of the lips are covered. Do this for about a minute or two and then rinse with water. Once done, you will have a smoother and softer lips than ever, and you will never have to suffer from chapped lips. Hack number 5. Sunburn. When it's summer and the sun is out, sunburn is prominent to happen to most people. Sunburns hurt a lot, especially when the burn is already too exposed. While there are sunburn creams in the market that you can buy, a natural and homemade remedy is much more effective and affordable to do. For the sunburn remedy hack, you will need a piece of peeled cucumber and cut it in small pieces. You may cut it in cubes if you wish. Next, in a bowl, add aloe gel and water. Mix everything together before putting it in a blender. Blend all the ingredients in the blender for about 30 seconds. Once the mixture is already in liquid form, apply it on your sunburns. You can also put in an empty spray bottle for you to bring around when you're out and under the sun. The mixture will prevent you from getting sunburns. It will also keep your skin hydrated. Hack number 4. Lipstick hack. If you feel lazy to apply lipstick or you find putting on lipstick very time-consuming, you need to try this lipstick hack that we're about to show you. For this hack, you will need your mug to do this. Get a mug and with a lipstick, draw a lip outline on the side of the mug. Next, place the side of the mug on your lips. You will see that the lipstick stain will stick on your lower lip, so you need to blend it with the upper lip by smooching both lips together. With that, you will instantly have lipstick without stroking the lipstick itself on your lips. It will help you save time as well. Hack number 3. Yellow hair problem. Have you ever experienced having yellow hair after having it bleached for a couple of times? If yes, then this hack is for you. Yellow hair can get really dry and ugly when it's not treated well and regularly. If you don't have the budget yet to visit the salon, then try this hack. It will surely save your life. For this yellow hair remedy hack, you will need some basil leaves. Get a bunch of basil leaves and boil it in a pot of water. Boil the leaves for 20 minutes. After that, remove the leaves and keep the water that was boiled to it. Mix an amount of shampoo in the water. Next, apply the mixture on your dry yellow hair and leave for about 30 minutes. Rinse well with water after. Once the process is done, you will have a more bronzed color hair and it won't look dead at all. This is the easiest and most organic way to treat yellow hair in an instant at home. Hack number 2. Open pores. Are you one of those people that have large open pores? If so, you don't need to feel conscious about it, because there is a hack for that. All you need is aloe gel and an ice cube, and a clean cloth. Extract the aloe gel from the aloe leaf and put it in a bowl. Apply it on your face and let it dry for a couple of minutes. Once the aloe gel is dry, get an ice cube and wrap it with a cloth. Rub the wrapped ice cube all over your face. You can slightly add pressure in your skin to make it more effective. After this hack, you will feel your skin is tighter and your pores will close. Hack number 1. Oily hair. Oily hair can either be natural or can be caused by external factors in the environment. Nevertheless, it can be treated in an instant if you know the right way. For this hack, you will need cocoa powder and starch. Combine the 2 ingredients in a container and mix well until the 2 powders are blended. Next, apply it on your hair roots and scalp. The powder will absorb the oil in your hair and keep it dry all day. This hack is one of the smartest and cheapest way to fix oily hair. Bonus tip. Aloe vera is an all-around organic ingredient that can be used in tons of ways. You can use it as a hair conditioner to keep your hair healthy and smooth. This gel can also be used as a natural and organic moisturizer for your skin and face. The best thing about aloe vera gel is that it is organic and you don't have to spend that much money on it compared to buying hair and face products in the market. So that's it, folks. Those are the 13 smart hacks that every girl should know. These hacks will definitely come in handy for all girls who struggle to feel on the go and confident even at the last minute. You can do this anytime and anywhere you like. So which among these smart hacks is your favorite? Let us know in the comment section below. We would love to hear it from you. And if you think you super like this video, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe down below for more amazing and brilliant videos. Don't forget to watch more of our insane videos on our channel. Also, we always have new videos coming from time to time, so make sure to catch us on our upcoming videos as well. Thanks Muse fam, and see you next time for another epic video.